What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day as always. Today we have a little package from Route 66 Mods. They were actually kind enough to hook us up with everything inside this package for our Wrangler. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So first thing off the bat, we have a few business cards from them. If you want to come into contact, if you like this video, here's their information right there. Awesome people to work with, respond to my messages pretty much instantly. They're just seem like a great company to work with. They actually hooked us up with a ton of stickers here. There's probably 25 stickers. So we're actually going to give a few of these away to you guys. All you have to do is comment your Instagram name below and we'll get into contact with, let's say, 10 of you guys to send you guys a free sticker. We'll also throw a Rocky Off-Road sticker in with this, so you get 2 stickers for simply commenting your Instagram username. Go ahead and do that now, and let's go ahead and get started right into this. So if you guys are unfamiliar with what they do, they actually make the hardware that goes all around the Jeep. I'll cut to some clips right here of what I'm talking about. So they make replacement hardware for those different bolts and stuff along those lines. So they actually powder coat them, as it said on the back. Need fasteners, we've got you covered. Powder coated screws, nuts, and washers. They do any quantity. They do a ton of different colors. Here's some picture of the red, white, and blue ones that they have. We went with a different color that we think is going to match the Jeep pretty well. Let me show you guys what we went with. So we went with silver. If you guys haven't seen our new Black Rhino Wheels, I'll insert a clip or a photo right here. You guys can take a look. These are going to match the wheels almost perfectly, which is going to be sweet. We're actually going to be paint matching our bumpers here shortly, so the Jeep's going to get some different changes coming up. But we got pretty much a full set of screws here. I already opened a few of these, so if there's a screw or two missing, it was so you get the right size little bits and stuff like that. The bigger screws here. And let me just say, the packaging on these is pretty outstanding considering they're packaging screws and stuff on a little piece of foam board. Hard to show up on camera with all the white and the lights and everything, but shrink wrapped on there, nice and sturdy. All the bigger ones with their little logo on it, and some little washers. Again, all of these have been powder coated the silver color that we requested, which is awesome. It's an awesome color, it pretty much matches our wheels exactly. And we got some other various bolts and stuff in here that I'll show you guys as we get them installed. So let's go ahead and start installing these and show you guys how they look. Alright, so here's a little before and after. These are the original factory ones, and these are the ones that they're replaced by. As you can see, they're a lot cleaner looking. Again, this color is going to match the wheels that we got, along with this silver piece in the Rocky Off-Road logo, silver in the trail badges, silver here. Our cage is actually going to be silver, along with the color that we painted the roll bar. So let's go ahead and finish going and see how it looks at the end. Alright, got those done. Let's move on to the ones on the bottom of the pillar for the windshield and get these replaced. Alright, so I got this entire side done. I actually cleaned it up so that the video would come out a little better so it wasn't all dirty. The Jeep's absolutely filthy. So this little spot's clean, and that's what matters. But I got this entire side done, and I think it turned out great. Let me know what you guys think about the silver down in the comments. We could always paint match these to be this exact red color, like we have our new wheels coming. I kind of like the silver with the silver and all the little silver accents we have going around. So here's what it looks like now, and here's what it originally looked like. Disregard the little dent. So I definitely think it looks a whole lot better. I like it more than the factory ones, that's for sure. I like the little washer type deal that they have going around the outside. Looks a lot cleaner. Let me know what you think about the silver though. We can always paint match that red. We can do black. We can get it repowder coated. There's tons of different options. I kind of like silver. Definitely gonna run it for a little while. I might run it for this show season. Change it up after that. We might be getting the Jeep wrapped and totally scrapping the decals down the side and everything like that. So I might change these when we change the wrap and all that stuff. wrapped up, got it finished. Super simple install, it took maybe 30 minutes. Again, that's setting up camera angles, recording for the video, all that kind of stuff. You could easily knock that out in 15 minutes, no problem. It's super simple, anybody could do it with, I think I used 2 tools to get the whole job done. Not hard at all. I would recommend taking out one bolt at a time, replacing it, and so on and so on. Just doing one at a time, working your way through. But again, huge shout out to Route 66 Mods. They hooked it up with this. Absolutely love the new hardware that we have. Here's all their contact information if you guys didn't see it the first time. I'm going to go ahead and link their website below. Their Instagram, all that stuff will be down in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. Make sure you guys tell them Rocky Off-Road sent you. And again, if you guys want to win one of the stickers that they sent us, make sure you guys comment your Instagram usernames down below, like the video, and we'll get into contact with 10 of you guys to send you guys out some free stickers. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.